Welcome to a new video tutorial by CrocFIX. Let's see today how to replace your battery on your Realme GT Master smartphone. If you need any parts or tools, I have provided the links in the video description. Just click on more under the video. Enjoy! Hey, nice to see you. So this we have here on Realme GT Master phone. The exact model is RMX 3363. And we will replace the battery here. So let's start by heating up the back cover here with around 170 to 190 degrees for maybe, let's say, 1 to 2 minutes. Once this is heated up, let's go and try to open the back cover with a pry tool. With a suction cup. Because there is a sticker here, it's a little bit difficult to mount the suction cup, so just remove it for a bit. And then let's try to lift up the back cover. So this could be maybe a little bit of a problem. So we will solve this by inserting a small tiny pry tool here. So we need to find a gap here where we can put in a plastic card or a small pry tool. So let's go and try with another suction cup. I think we will need to heat up this a little bit more. I will use now 200 degrees, but just here on the bottom side. All right, let's go and try again. So the back is really tight, glued into the back frame, but let's try anyway to find a gap here. Okay, what I will do, I will remove this sticker here, then I will clean this back with some alcohol, because if the back is not cleaned, the suction cup won't stick to it. There we go, perfect. So the back cover is made from plastic, so don't need to worry about to crack it. I'm gonna heat it up again, now with 210 degrees. After a minute, let's go and check again. Alright, so now the back cover is coming slowly apart here. So we could make actually a gap here where we need to put our fingernail inside. You see, like this? There we go. Perfect. So now, once we can lift this up, we will remove the suction cup. And then you see, we have a gap here. And I will put here, you can use a plastic card or whichever tiny plastic you have. I have this. Then you put it in here. And then I will slowly pour in, drop by drop, a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. This will soften the glue and it will be easier to remove the plastic. So once you go step by step, and then again a little bit here. This will be, if we are lucky, we can still reuse the adhesive glue later on the back cover. Okay, let's try again a little bit. We are almost done. There is no cable which could be damaged. Check inside. I don't see it, so no need to worry that you will cut something when you go through with this plastic here. Perfect. All right, we almost kept our adhesive on the back cover here, which means we can reuse it later and we don't need to put that much of glue on it. All right. So we leave this to dry, the alcohol out, so we can later normally put it back here into the frame. So the next part will be, like I thought, we need to remove all these screws on the top and all these screws on the bottom, and then we will separate the middle frame here from the phone so we can disconnect the battery later. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws on the top. Then we go to the bottom side where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. So the next step will be to remove the SIM card tray here on the left side. Let's turn off the phone. All right. Alright, so now let's go and start here from where the SIM card tray was and try to make a gap here with your fingernail, like this, and then we will go inside with some plastic tool here and try to separate the middle frame here from the main frame. So that easy it goes. Alright. So now we detach this one. Perfect. And now we are already here in the part of the battery. So let's go and disconnect the battery here. And then we have here the pull-out strips, which can be lifted up here and also here. So this is for pulling out the battery. Let's just check how did our new battery arrive. So we have here a genuine battery from Realme. So this battery also came here with these strips on, and it should be easy to stick it into the frame. Alright, so let's go now and try to pull out this battery. With your left hand or with your right hand, depends which you like. You hold the phone and then you try to pull out from one side first, and then you go and pull it from the other side as well. And that's it. Very easy job. So we removed the battery here. And now we will put in the new battery. So we can also remove these strips here, because under this there are second adhesive strips. There we go. So if you have bended the adhesive a little bit, just place it back, make it even, and that's it. This is sticky, this is sticky, 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 sticky. Alright, now let's go put in back the new battery here. Perfect. Stick it in, press it into the frame, and then let's connect it here to the main board. There we go. So the battery is connected. Now we will move back the middle frame. We put the middle frame on here. Press it everywhere, in the corners and around. So you hear the clicking sound. And then let's go and put back all the screws. Alright, let's take the SIM card and the SIM card tray. This is the SIM 1. Let's put this back here with the SIM card facing upwards. Put it in. Alright. Now let's check the adhesive here. If there are some minor repairs for the adhesive, just take out the bumps, you know what I mean. So if you see like bumps like this here, just make it like nice and even everywhere. So my adhesive here is almost intact, so almost every corner is still strong and sticky, so I will just leave it. If your adhesive is damaged, just clean it, put glue around. I have provided the links for the glue in the video description. Just use T7000 or B6000, B7000 glue around and stick it to the back and then put the clamps on it. I will show this later. So I'm gonna just make this nice again here. So like this. And if you have a small bump, like I do have here, then just cut it out. Because if you don't cut it out and if it's not even, the back cover won't stay nice on the back frame. Alright, so just give it a quick touch here and just clean the lenses. So I clean the lenses here. And that's it. Once you have done this and cleaned everything, put the back cover back in place. Press it into the frame. It must stick perfectly everywhere, in every corner. And then let's go and put on some clamps. They will hold the position of the back cover, and if you have put some glue on it, you need to leave it for, let's say, 1 hour or 2 hours, so the glue will become strong enough that you can remove the clamps. Let me know in the comments how it went for you. If you have any questions, or if you want to say thank you, or anything else.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.